Okay, I'm filming you. I'm gonna do this in English. Okay.
Okay.
So, here you are. We got Tennessee. But we lived here all the time. Maurice, oh, I didn't see you. Danielle, no. And then we have Wales, very Welsh. How old were you when you first started speaking English? Really?
6 or something like that.
Yeah. So Welsh first language. Well, so I'm going to put this on a podcast. Why is this important to you? You've been working on this kind of stuff for a long time.
Yeah, well, this is like a dream come true to see so many people marching because they want to see an independent Wales.
Yeah.
Because we want the chance to govern ourselves. This is Gwyn Williams. We want to govern ourselves. We want a chance to, create our own country, not be determined by London.
So this is like, to me, it feels really epic.
Oh, it is.
And I know it's even more so for you, but it seemed like when I came to the UK 2.5 months ago, this couldn't even be dreamed of. Oh. And all of a sudden it exploded out of nowhere. What is it?
Well, it's just the whole context going on here. I mean, Brexit is going to cause so much mayhem for Wales in particular.
Right.
And I think the government in London is just so far, the gap is so big between the desires of the people in Wales and the people in London who just want to hold on to all the 4 nations.
Right.
And basically, we've had enough. And we don't like their policies, we don't like the way they treat people. And it's time for us to make our own decisions about our own country.
Yeah.